Hi guys, welcome to 2.0. I'm Alex and today we're unboxing a wide range of products designed to make our new normal more convenient and stress-free. Now these products range from power banks to car chargers and other mobile accessories. But before we unbox this real quick, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We have the Power King 2 that operates at a maximum of 30 watts with 17400 mAh battery. It comes in black with an option for Type-C and USB plugins. It comes with a pouch, USB Type-C cable, and a silicone suction pad you can use to avoid your phone from slipping when wireless charging. This retails at $3,750 because it can also charge laptops and tablets that use the USB-C port, like the 2020 MacBook or Huawei MateBook 14 here. This makes it great for working mobile. The next is the Power Magic 4, the more affordable wireless power bank that also offers Type-C and USB ports with a 10,000 mAh capacity. It retails for just $1,400 and comes in white. It also comes with a USB Type-C cable. These are more suited for the workplace with stable surfaces such as your desk that will keep your phone in position without the need for a cable. Now let's unbox the wired power bank. The Power King 3 has the highest battery capacity at 20,000 mAh and accepts Type-C and USB plugins and retails at $3,100. Its high mAh rating means it lasts longer and has triple the charging speed to boot. It's also powerful enough to charge laptops and tablets that have USB-C ports, just like its sibling, the Power King 2. So those are our 3 power banks. However, I have here the 4th one, the Power Miracle 3, which I've been using for 2 years now since it was launched, and it's still very much reliable up until now. Sadly, this isn't on the market anymore. We have the Type-C to Lightning cable that comes in Apple White and retails for $580. MiLi also offers a 3-in-1 cable with Lightning, Micro, and Type-C connectors that retails for $645. Both these cables come in 1, 2, and 3 meters. You can also easily transfer data with these cables. These cables are a bit more expensive than the ones you find in a thrift store, but a lot cheaper than the Apple cables that can easily break. If you don't know yet, the cheap ones are really tempting, but if it seems too cheap to be true, then it probably is and it can damage your phone. Luckily, at MiLi's price point, it's also certified MFI, made for iPhone, which is what you need to look for when you're an Apple user. Here's the Charger Station 3 with 2 USB-C and 4 regular USB ports, making for 6 total devices that can be charged simultaneously. This retails for $1,900. MiLi also has you covered on the road with its 2 car chargers. The MiLi Smart 4.8 USB car charger, which is a simple but sleek compact charger that can fit in most car storages. It retails for $760. The second is the MiLi Smart Speed, which offers fast 24-watt charging to 2 devices at the same time and retails for $550. Lastly, we have the Phone Pure. It's a pouch that sterilizes your phone or anything that can fit inside. It uses UVC technology and it retails for $850. You may see our last video to know more about it. The vast variety of useful accessories and devices from MiLi will help power through the day in this new normal. Each product offers something unique and incredibly useful whether you are working from home or constantly on the move. All of these products also include 1-year warranty and are all available at the official MiLi flagship store on Lazada. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it on the comment section down below or on our website secondopinion.ph. I'm Alex and I'll see you guys soon.